Greetings, Indigo Earth. This is Bhagya Shalini, and here we are with another discussion on meditation. We've been having our previous videos on awareness, and this is a continuity with it. We recently had a meetup with the youth or the young college students, and there was this beautiful question that had risen there as to how the youngsters or the college students or even school students can meditate other than just sitting and meditating. So we have to understand that meditating is an exercise where we are going in a state of awareness, or we are getting in focus, and we are cleansing our mind or getting rid of all the extra thought. In the book Indigo Earth, the first chapter starts with a beautiful quotation by Bhagya Shalini, and the quotation is, this is the book and this is the quotation. It says, life is a game played best with diligence, faith and patience as team players. So diligence, when we talk about diligence, that is an important factor that the youth can practice, because they have a lot of energy in them, and it is difficult for them to just sit and concentrate. But there is one beautiful thing that the youth of today, if we talk about children who are born especially after the year 1995, they are born with the fourth chakra or the heart chakra open, and for them it is easier because it is the ego energy that closes the heart chakra. But the new generation, the generation born from the point of 1995, have been closer to achieving their fourth chakra being open, and also letting their heart chakra be open. So the thing is that for them it is very easy to focus or meditate even while they are practicing or being in some or the other work, because you have to understand, first of all, the amount of courses have really grown for them. The youth of today have a choice. They can choose subjects or experiences that focus on the experiences which they love and create joy in them. It provides them peace. It is not necessary that they have to be practicing state courses like being an engineer, doctor. There is a lot of new openings that have come up, because there's so many. AI has brought in new careers, new practices. Then again, there are other more features as traveling, and which have also expanded when we are doing, or when we are experiences, or when we are being in a state which we are really loving and feeling joy about, that is also being in awareness, because you're enjoying what you're doing and you are there in that moment. So the best thing the youth of today have to do is choose a career where what they love doing, where they love being, which gives them joy, where they can be patient. So this is how they experience God. They can be diligent about their practices. So being in the moment won't be far. Even playing games or putting their energy in activities, outdoor activities, grounding themselves, spending time in the nature, which they often do. I mean, okay, there is a time when we see that most of the youth want to spend their time in the malls, but now they've started expanding their experiences. They want to be out in the nature. So this is a very beautiful thing they experience as they're connecting and they're grounding, because this is the closest thing to be in awareness. So we have to understand that whatever education, whatever career path we are choosing, it is the best way to practice meditation. If we choose a career, if we choose a path that is the one that gives us love, joy, or we experience love, joy and peace through, we have to understand that is the best way to meditate. And you have to be diligent about it. There may be times when we say that, okay, there is a certain professor or there is somebody who's kind of making it a little more cumbersome, but then we have to be diligent, because we have to understand that's our passion, that's where our joy lies. And like if we look, we around us also, we experience a lot of storms, we see a lot of disturbances in nature also, but that doesn't mean that the animals stop living or the plants stop existing. They continue their journey, they continue their experience. The storms or the small changes in the weather really do not disturb them. So we have to also understand that when we are experiencing the love, joy and peace, if there are small storms, it does not have to really turn into a battle of survival. We'll tide over it. We have to be diligent. That is the thing that why we read the quote, because diligence is very important, faith is very important, patience is very important. So the youth of today really do not need to go out and do things which are really cumbersome, or really get into vigorous exercising and doing massive studies, or they just need to be. Just being is enough. And for that, they need to have faith in themselves, that whatever they love is the best thing for them. At this moment, it may seem that it is not paying them, but trust me, it does pay in the longer run. You can only be best at what you love. You can always be joyful about doing the same work again and again in a routine if you love it. You can only have patience, or you can during the storm, if you love it. So this is what is a suggestion that is for the youngsters of today, as to how they can practice meditation. They can practice meditation by just being and doing things they love doing, trying to get education in those fields which they love doing. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful week.